Hello everyone. If you enjoy eating chocolate cake or chocolate muffin, then stick around. Let me show you the easiest way to make it. Just mix everything in one bowl and it's ready. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, and half cup of cocoa powder. Then we go ahead to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. This is all the dry ingredients we need. Then we go ahead to mix it up together to form a beautiful brown combination. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add our wet ingredients. We'll be adding 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of vegetable oil. You can use any brand of your choice, or you can as well use melted butter if you prefer. Next, we'll be going in with 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Then we go ahead to mix everything together to properly combine. There's something about mixing your cake batter with balloon wicks. It makes it easier to mix and it gives it this smooth consistency, just as if you're using a hand mixer. So even if you don't have a hand mixer, your balloon whisk got you covered, because it also gives the same texture as though you're using a hand mixer. Once we are done mixing, it's time to go in with our final ingredients, which is our hot water. We'll be adding half cup of boiling water because kids will be eating this cake. But if no kid is going to eat the cake, then go in with half cup of hot coffee. Hot coffee enhances the taste even more. We'll go ahead to mix our batter until everything is properly incorporated. Our batter may look runny, but it's okay because that is what makes the chocolate cake really soft and moist. After that, we'll go ahead and set aside the batter and then we'll prepare our pan. I'll be using muffin tins for this, but you can as well use the normal big baking pan. It's still the same recipe that you need. Now I'm layering my muffin pans with muffin papers. If you don't want to use muffin papers for the baking, or you don't have muffin papers at home, you can go ahead and grease your pan with oil. Just spray some oil on each of the tin and brush it all around, or you can use butter. It also serves the same purpose. Once we are done layering our pan, we'll go ahead and scoop in the batter to each of the tins, just like I'm doing here. Don't fill it all the way up. We'll go ahead and bake it for 20 minutes in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. or until skewer or toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And this is what we have. This recipe is very simple and very easy to make. Anybody can literally make it, and it doesn't require much ingredients. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe at home. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below to encourage me, and also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. We make amazing recipes. Also check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.